Okay, good afternoon, children. So we have already learned about the world map. In the world map, what we marked number of continents. Okay, the large land masses are called as continents, and the huge water bodies are called as oceans. So we learned that there are 7 continents, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, and Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. And also we also learn about the oceans, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and also other ocean also I told, that is Antarctica Ocean or Southern Ocean, because it is called as a Southern Ocean because it is located in the southern part of India, southern part of the world. And then we also learn that it is called as a Antarctica Ocean. Why it is called as Antarctica Ocean? Because it is around the Antarctica continent. So that is the other ocean. Actually, in our textbook they given only 4 oceans, but also Antarctica Ocean is also recognized like a ocean, okay, by some of the people. Okay, anyhow, we learned that oceans and continents, and also we know the importance of continents and oceans, and also we also marked the states and capitals and union territories on the world map. We learn very detailedly about the Indian states and union territories. What is union territory? Union territory is a part of country which is directly ruled by central government. That is, union territory is an area which is ruled by central government. And then if you come to the other point, that is states. States are administered by state government and ruled by state government. For that, one assembly will be there, state legislative council will be there, they make the rules for the state. And union territories are directly ruled by the central government. For them, the central government, Lok Sabha, make the rules, and parliament make the rules and regulations for the union territories. And also some of the things which come under the country, like education, health, and some defense, air force, all these will be under the control of central government. So anyhow, union territories are the places which are directly ruled by central government. They are not having the state government. That's why they are called as union territories. I told you 8 union territories are there, 28 states are there. That is also we marked on the India map. Then India is in Asia continent, and in India we live in a southern part of India, and our state name is Andhra Pradesh. Our state name is Andhra Pradesh. So we want to know little about the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so we already learned that in Andhra Pradesh, if you see the physical features, there are some hills are there, then plateaus are there, plains are there. So plains are coastal. All the coastal states will come under the coastal plain, and that vertical this is Rayalaseema fall the Deccan Plateau. And here some hills are there, but that Eastern Ghats, we call it as Eastern Ghats. In that Nanamalai hills and Aramalai hills, like that hills also there. These are the physical features. We learn very detailedly regarding this in future lesson. Now we are going to see the political map of Andhra. Political map of Andhra Pradesh means, the Andhra Pradesh is divided into number of districts. The districts are, how many districts are there at present? At present I am telling. So now Jagan is promised that he is making the districts. How many districts he wanted to make? So how many Lok Sabha seats are there? How many Lok Sabha seats are there? 25. So he wanted to make the 13 districts as 25 districts. Like constituencies. That will be. So now at present we are having the 13 districts. So where is the our country name is India. In the southern part of India, Andhra Pradesh is located. And why it is? What is the history of Andhra Pradesh? Because it is ruled by Andhrulu. That's why it is called as Andhra Pradesh. And this formation, when it was formed, actually Andhra Pradesh was formed. Previously, if you go to that, it is there is no Andhra Pradesh state. It is called as Madras province. Madras. So here we and Tamil Nadu together will be a one state. And Tamil Nadu and Andhra together one state in the previous 1953. 1953 before there is no Andhra state. So Potti Sriramulu, Sri Potti Sriramulu. So we live together. Okay, Tamilians and the Andhra people, Telugu people live together. But some of the Andhra people or Telugu people are think that they are suppressed and they are not giving much importance or the required necessity, minimum respect to them. That's why they started the agitation. Agitation means revolution against the central government to make a separate state for the people who speak Telugu. Okay, the people who are speaking Telugu, for them they required a separate state. Means they fought for many years, but the central government is not at all agreeing to form a separate state for Telugu people. Why? Because remaining places also asked to give separate state. So how it is possible if we are giving one and all the people are starting for asking for them for their special requirements? So that's why the central government is not agreed to give at the beginning. But finally what is happening, that is who is that Sri Potti Sriramulu, okay, went to fasting, not taking even food and water. So like that he made the fasting for 56 days, and after 56 days, after 56 days he died. He was the Sri Potti Sriramulu. Who is that? Sri Potti Sriramulu. So he died. Okay, he died. Okay, after the death of Potti Sriramulu, and they given the separate state for Telugu people, that is Andhra state. Andhra Pradesh kadu, Andhra state. Okay, Andhra state was given to the people who speak Telugu. Okay, when it was happened? In the year 1953. 1953 October 1st. Okay, Kurnool, yes. Its capital. In the year 1953, Kurnool as capital, the Andhra state was formed. What is happening after that? That Hyderabad was ruled by Nizams. Okay, Nizams also, okay, under the rule of Nizams, Telangana people also suffered. The Telangana people also speak Telugu. So after the Nizams defeated and the Telangana was separate area which speaks Telugu was added to Andhra state, which is called as Andhra Pradesh. So this formation of Andhra Pradesh was taken place on November 1st, 1956, and the capital is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital at the time. First time 1953, Kurnool is the capital. After that, Andhra Pradesh was formed, okay, with the capital of Hyderabad. When it was formed, November 1st, 1956. Before that, 1953, October 1st, okay, Kurnool as the capital. Okay, after that, what will happen? So recently, again in the year 2014, so the Telangana people told that our culture, our language, our importance is going on reducing. Our resources are used for the development of Andhra people. Andhra people have captured everything. We are not having. If we are separate, and Andhra state will be developed, and Telangana also will be developed. That's why they were asked the central government to give the separate state for Telangana. So first they added, and later from 1969 onwards they are going on demanding separate state for Telangana people. So finally in the year 2014, June 2nd, Andhra Pradesh was separated from Telangana and formed as a separate state. Telangana one state and Andhra Pradesh is another state. So here two states are formed, Telugu speaking people. So first Telangana was added, later Telangana was separated. Okay, whatever maybe, now Telangana. So what is the capital at that time? When in the year June 2nd, 2014, they told Hyderabad is the joint capital for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana for 10 years. But what has happened before that only, within 2 years, okay, we selected the place for construction of capital, which is called as Amaravati near Guntur. Okay, so Amaravati is the capital. So now we can see our country is India, and in the south part of India there is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the state of our state. Andhra Pradesh is the state of ourselves, our Telugu people, and most people are Telugu people. Different language people are living together, but most people are Telugu speaking. Formation that was formed November 1st, 1956. First time. Then later June 2nd, Amravati in Andhra Pradesh was formed. So after that, what is the official language? In the officially we can use the Telugu language. How many? Okay, Andhra Pradesh state. What is the difference between a state and a union territory? The state is having a separate administrative body that is called, okay, state legislative assembly, state legislative council. So state legislative assembly is the place where the MLAs, member in legislative assembly, are sit together and discuss the problems of Andhra people and take the decision. These people are elected directly by the people in Andhra Pradesh. So how many people are elected? As 178 people are elected. Okay, in assembly how many people are there? 178 people are there. Like that one, this is called state legislative assembly. State legislative assembly means government. Okay, state legislative means government. So for that directly 178 members are elected by the people, and okay, for this election state legislative assembly elections are conducted. For this election, Andhra Pradesh is divided into 178 parts. Each part will be elected one person. Total 178 members are there. What they will do? They will think what are the problems are there in Andhra Pradesh, what to do for the development of Andhra people, Telugu people. Okay, all the rules will be made by the ministers who are there in the assembly. So here you see, for example, I tell that Nadu Nedu, for example, that is he wanted to develop the government schools, he take the decision, and also he will give all the infrastructure for the school people or schools. Okay, ma'am? So provision of books, textbooks for the poor people, uniforms, shoes, and also good toilets in the schools, drinking water, food, all these things. And like that only. Okay, then they wanted to construct roads or dam, for example, Porvaram Dam. Who will take the decision to construct? How they will get the money? All these things were discussed in the state legislative assembly. Then state legislative council. One more is there. State legislative council. In the state legislative council, okay, 58 members are there. These 58 people are not elected directly by the people. They are elected by the graduates, by the teachers, and by the these 58 people are having a great knowledge in any of the topic or subject. So like that people are elected. This is called as wise man's house. In these 58 numbers are there, they will, okay, these people are taking decision that will be discussed by them, whether it is correct or not, is it useful for the development of the Andhra Pradesh. All these things will be discussed in legislative council. Both the people together take the decision, and any changes are there, any debates we are discussing, okay, which is correct, which is wrong, all these things are discussed by both the people. Legislative assembly 178. And this Andhra Pradesh, so you are telling that parliament is the Lok Sabha. Parliament is having two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, so for that, from our state, 11 leaders are elected by the people for Rajya Sabha, that is, okay, for Rajya Sabha. For Lok Sabha, 25 members are elected. These 25 members are elected directly by the people. Directly by the people. Okay, these 11 members are again graduates, and any person is very much knowledge in any of the, for example, everyone knows that Sachin Tendulkar is master in cricket. So he was the number in state he was number in Rajya Sabha. Like that, people one who are having a great knowledge in any topic will be elected for Rajya Sabha by the teachers or by the graduates and village sarpanches and MLAs. Like that, they will be elected. So Jilla Parishad. How many Jilla Parishads are there? 13 Jilla Parishads are there. Jilla Parishad means nothing but the districts. How many districts are there? 13 districts are there in Andhra Pradesh. So that is called as Jilla Parishad or districts. And Mandala Praja Parishad. How many Mandala Praja Parishads are there? 661 Mandala Praja Parishads are there. And Gram Panchayats are 1967 are there. So how many districts are there? 13 districts are there. How many districts? 13 districts. 13 are there. These 13 districts are 9 are coastal districts. Coastal districts. 9 and Rayalaseema 4 together 30 districts which are there in Andhra. Yes. So what are the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh? You observe, this is the Andhra Pradesh, and I am always telling that always top side is north, bottom side is south. Okay, right side is, left side is west. We see here what is there? Odisha. Odisha is there on the south side, north side of Andhra Pradesh. What is there? North side of Andhra Pradesh? Odisha. Odisha, what is Odisha? Odisha state. Why it is called Odisha? Because the people of the state is speaking Odia language. That's why it is called Odisha. Okay. Then next if you come to the border, here Tamil Nadu is there. South of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu is there. Tamil Nadu. Okay. So north side Odisha, south side Tamil Nadu. Then we are coming to the east. East side what is there? Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. What is Bay of Bengal? It is just sea. Bay of Bengal, this is all water. Then west, okay, west side. West side what is there here? Here Karnataka is there. Okay. Again I am telling north. What is there? North side of Andhra Pradesh? Odisha is there. South side what is there? South side Tamil Nadu is there. Why it is called as Tamil Nadu? Because it is Tamil Nadu. Why it is called as Tamil Nadu? Because the people of the state speaks Tamil. So here Karnataka is there, and here Telangana is there. Okay, Telangana. So west side. West. This is west. North side Odisha, south side Tamil Nadu, east side Bay of Bengal, west side Karnataka and Telangana are the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh. Boundaries means north side what is there, south side is there. So these are called boundaries. So boundaries of Andhra Pradesh are north Odisha, south Tamil Nadu, east Bay of Bengal, west Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, Karnataka and Telangana are the boundaries. Okay, what are the 13 districts we are going to see? Okay, what are the 13 districts? These 13 districts are from where we have to learn in a particular way. So from top to bottom or north to south. So first one is Srikakulam. This is Sri. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. Srikakulam. Srikakulam. First one, Srikakulam. Next one, Vijayanagaram. Vijayanagaram. Next one is Visakhapatnam. And next one is East Godavari and West Godavari. If you learn anything in a order, you will get them easily. Next one is Krishna. Okay, I told Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Guntur, Prakasham. ప్రకాశం. కృష్ణా ప్రకాశం. గుంటూరు సారీ కృష్ణా ఆఫ్టర్ గుంటూరు is very important. Why? Because Amaravati is constructed. Next one is Prakasham. Next one is Nelluru. What is the Nelluru? SPS. SPS. Why it is called SPS? Sri Potti Sri Ramulu, because Sri Potti Sri Ramulu belongs to the Nelluru district. Because of him only we get the Andhra state for Telugu speaking people from Madras. That's why that district name was kept as SPS Nelluru. SPS means Sri Potti Sri Ramulu. Okay, Sri Potti Sri Ramulu Nelluru. Next one is Chittoor. Next one is Kadapa. YSR Kadapa. Okay, we write after. Why should we write here? Okay, if you draw like this, YSR Kadapa. Why it is called as YSR Kadapa? After the name of the father of Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is the Chief Minister at present of Andhra Pradesh. Who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Okay, now we are present Jagan Mohan Reddy. Before Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is the president, okay, the Chief Minister, that is Chandrababu Naidu. Before Chandrababu Naidu, who is that was Kiran Kumar Reddy. Before Kiran Kumar Reddy, Roshaya before Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy. Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and he done a lot of things for Andhra Pradesh people for development. That's why after he belongs to the district of Kadapa, he born in Kadapa district. That's why his name was kept for Kadapa here by Y.S.R. Kadapa. Next one is Kurnool. And next one is Anantapur. Are the 13 districts of Andhra Pradesh. So again I am telling, see, there are 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh. Here I will tell Jilla Parishad means districts. Districts means Jilla Praja Parishad or Jillas. Okay, Jilla or district, both are one only. So here you come to here. How many districts are there? 13 districts are there. In the 13 districts, 9 are coastal districts and 4 are Rayalaseema. So what is the difference between coastal means by the side of the ocean, means all the places by the side of the coastal region. Because of this here plain, the rivers are flowing towards the Bay of Bengal, join the Bay of Bengal, before that they have formed the place. Okay, these plains are very fertile and crops are grown very well and water is available plentifully and really highly suitable for the agricultural development. And if you come to the Rayalaseema, here rains are very less and it is covered with rocky areas. It is not suitable for agriculture. That's why its name is itself Rayalaseema. In the olden days, Rayalaseema, Ratnalaseema. Okay, there they will get also precious stones like diamonds like that. That's why it is called Rayalaseema. It is Ratnalaseema. So now it is covered with a rocky area. Very few crops will be grown. That is upland crops like millets, ragi, java, bajra, like that crops will be grown. And the people are also appreciated for eating the ragi sangati and ragi java like that. So whatever may be, these are the parts of Andhra Pradesh. So 9 coastal districts are there, 4 Rayalaseema districts, total 13 districts. Here I shown, and the same thing regarding the Jilla Parishad also. So these are the districts and the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh. So again I am going to say, so the boundaries of Andhra Pradesh are North Odisha, South Tamil Nadu, East Bay of Bengal, West Telangana and Karnataka. Total how many districts are there? 13 districts are there. They are to come from the north to south. Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nelluru. You should not say Nelluru. SPS Nelluru. Otherwise, you can say Sri Potti Sri Ramulu Nellore. Why? Because of his efforts only, the Andhra Pradesh was formed for Telugu speaking people, separate state. In the year 1953, which was not given in our textbook. Okay, next Chittoor, next Anantapur, Kurnool and Kadapa. Kadapa also, before it is called as Kadapa only, but now it is named as YSR Kadapa. YSR means YS Rajasekhar Reddy Kadapa, because of he done a lot of things for the development of Andhra people, and because of that efforts, this district was kept the name of YSR Kadapa. So these are all the things we have to be heard, and tomorrow I am going to continue the lesson next. Okay.